Hello, in front of me I've got Omoda 5. In this video I'll show you how to manually adjust HUD. In the beginning, swipe down from the top of the screen. Now, tap HUD adjustment. Once the HUD is enabled and HUD adjustment is enabled also, you can see that HUD is enabled right there. You can adjust its position by pressing volume plus button, volume minus, left and right side. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.